here. And with the blacks, I think I showed you the bird. Hey, come on, little guy, yay! Can I try that for a second now? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I think I was so fast, but here, this is really falling apart. Falling apart, if it makes sense, its head's going to fall apart, isn't it? See the feathers are coming out now. Okay, come on, buddy, let's go. It's like, wait a second. Feathers on this now. See? That's what happens when the feathers come out. Sometimes the dogs, they don't like them.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, are you worried? Are you worried? Are you worried? Hey, I'm gonna get you unworried. Say, get him to the chase. Okay, come on, pup, let's go. Hey, puppers, come on, let's go, let's go. Hey, come on, let's go. What's the matter, crazy? Mark, what's the mark? Hey, you, come here. That one chocolate didn't even hesitate. She just grabbed it.
Yep.
Hey, you, come here. Oh, she's got chocolate. Where's Allie? Is she? Oh, she's in the room. Hey, come here. Just curious. Yay, look at that. See, I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay, yay! Now come here. Okay, hold on. See, sometimes I won't shove it in their mouth, but I'll gently put it in just so they realize that, oh, okay, something's wrong with me. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go. Puppers. Come on. Let's go. Hey, good boy. Come